Number 1. 1992 Ford F150, price $8,500. It has 165,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission, finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior. It is a rust-free Texas/Arizona truck, originally equipped with a 302 engine but now upgraded with a 351 swap, a small cam, upgraded injectors, and a MOTS chip tune. The truck also features a remanufactured E40D transmission and transfer case, though the exact mileage on the swapped drivetrain is unknown. It rides on what appears to be a 4-inch lift paired with like-new 33-inch Mickey Thompson tires, giving it surprisingly good road manners for a lifted, 32-year-old OBS. The interior is on the nicer side of average, and all the power features, including power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and AC, are fully functional. The body is finished in a two-tone Line X coating and fitted with iron cross bumpers, giving it a rugged, custom look. Number 2. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,300, shows 155,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, paired to a strong 5.7L V8 engine. The truck features a striking red exterior matched with a red interior, giving it a clean, period-correct look that stands out. It runs on gasoline and is described as being mechanically sound, with both the engine and transmission operating as they should. The seller notes that the air conditioning and heating systems are fully functional, providing both cold and hot air without issues. Recent maintenance includes a new AC compressor and a new alternator, adding confidence for anyone looking for a dependable daily driver or a solid platform for restoration. The truck is also offered with a clean title, which further enhances its appeal for buyers seeking a well-kept and well-maintained classic Chevrolet pickup. Number 3. 1988 Dodge D150, price $8,850, showing 64,000 original miles and equipped with an automatic transmission, finished in a clean silver exterior paired with a striking red interior. Powered by a fuel-injected 318 V8 running on gasoline, the truck delivers smooth performance and maintains its reputation for durability. It is completely rust-free, a rare quality for a vehicle of this age, and comes with power steering and power brakes, making it easy and comfortable to drive. The factory AM/FM radio is still in place, adding to its originality. The air conditioning system is complete, though it will require a new compressor before it becomes fully operational. Inside, the cabin is in very nice and well-kept condition, showing minimal wear and reflecting the truck's low mileage and careful ownership over the years. Number 4. 1997 Nissan Hardbody, price $5,800, shows approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer and still presents itself as a dependable daily driver. It comes in a clean white exterior with a contrasting black interior, giving the truck a classic and straightforward appearance. Although often found with an automatic transmission, this particular unit is equipped with a manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. It carries a clean title, adding confidence for the next owner. Inside, the cabin remains simple and functional, featuring manual windows, along with a working air conditioning and heater, making it comfortable in a variety of weather conditions. Number 5. 1989 Dodge Ram 150, price $10,000, strong-running classic truck with approximately 94,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with a dependable 318 V8 engine, delivering solid power and smooth shifting through its 4-speed automatic gearbox. The exterior is finished in a flat black wrap, matching its black interior for a clean and cohesive look. The truck runs great, with cold air conditioning and strong heat, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. It also comes equipped with a custom exhaust system that adds character to its sound, as well as a custom sound system for upgraded in-cab audio quality. As a gasoline-powered vehicle, it remains reliable and easy to maintain. Overall, this Dodge Ram offers a combination of classic styling, dependable mechanical performance, and tasteful custom touches. Number 6. 1999 Ford F150, price $2,499. The truck being offered has around 175,000 miles. It runs on a 4.6L V8 SOHC 16V gasoline engine, providing dependable power and efficiency for everyday use. Its classic Ford design includes a sturdy body, bold front grille, and a spacious bed suitable for hauling tools, equipment, or recreational gear. Inside, the truck seats up to 3 passengers and features durable cloth upholstery, a simple and functional dashboard, air conditioning, and a basic AM/FM radio, with power steering, power brakes, and essential safety features such as front airbags and seatbelt pretensioners. This F-150 remains a reliable and practical choice for work or daily driving. Number 7. 1984 Ford F250, price $5,000, powered by a strong 6.9-liter diesel engine with approximately 106,000 miles. It runs smoothly and delivers the kind of durability these classic Ford workhorses are known for. It comes equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, and the body remains very straight, reflecting its history as a well-preserved California truck. The interior is clean and well-maintained, offering a comfortable cabin for both work and travel. This F250 is already set up for a slide-in camper and includes electric trailer brakes, making it ideal for towing and outdoor trips. The truck also rides on great tires and features a functional toolbox in the bed, adding to its practicality and overall readiness for both daily use and weekend adventures. Number 8. 1972 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, shows approximately 100,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission, an orange exterior, and a gas-powered drivetrain. As an older classic truck, it has been upgraded with a 350 SBC engine and a 700R4 automatic transmission that were swapped in at some point in its life. Although the exact total mileage on the engine and transmission is unknown, both components run strong and provide solid performance for a vehicle of its age. The interior, while not fully described, complements the vintage character of the truck, and the overall condition reflects a well-kept classic that still has plenty of potential. The seller is also including a collection of trim pieces and additional parts, offering extra value for anyone looking to continue restoring or customizing the truck. Number 9. 1992 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,500. It has around 180,000 miles, uses gasoline, and features an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives, but still needs some work before it can be a dependable daily driver. It's powered by a 454 engine with a 4L80E, converted to a carb setup with a freshly rebuilt Holley carburetor, a Phytec trans controller, and a line lock. The seller was told it may also have a gear vendor's overdrive, though this hasn't been confirmed. The fuel system is entirely new, including the tank, sending unit, Edelbrock pump, and fuel lines. Since the engine is carb swapped, the alternator still needs to be wired, and the hydroboost may need a flush or replacement. There is also a transmission leak from either the dipstick tube or pan gasket. The current tires are oversized and rub the fenders, so smaller ones are needed. Number 10. 1990 Ford F250, price $6,400, shows 184,000 miles and comes with a 351 Windsor 5.8L gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has a brown exterior and interior, and features 4x4 with manual locking hubs along with a strong clutch. Recent maintenance includes about 3,000 miles on new plugs, wires, cap, rotor, fuel filter, and Monroe Magnum HD shocks. The engine runs smoothly and starts on the first try. The front leaf springs use energy suspension bushings, while the rear has separately plumbed airbags for better stability and reduced body roll. The suspension feels tight overall. The only issue is a steering gearbox that needs a minor adjustment to remove side-to-side play. The only leak is a small seat at the front differential. The truck comes with a clean title and remains a solid